This is Nina from TGMachine Shanghai in China, and now I am in our factory, and the machine behind me is our gummy candy production line. We can see this huge part is our cooking system. It contains 4 parts. The first one is cooking pot, the second one is cooling tank, the third one is storage tank, and the last one is our electronic cabinet. Firstly, we move to this part. It is called a cooking pot. We can see the wall of this pot is very thick because I want to emphasize that it has 3 layers with conduction oil inside the layer. The role of the 3 layers is to prevent the heat losing of the syrup inside the pot, and also to prevent the injury from waters. Inside the pot, we can see we have the head of the high-speed shearing machine. It is empowered by this motor, and we adopt the German brand WEG, which is of high quality and high efficiency. And also we can see that we have the storing scraper. It is the Teflon material, and it can closely line to the door of the pot to have a complete confusion of the syrup. And this motor is used to empower to give power to the storing device. And this part is the reducer. It is used to control the speed of the storing and shearing machine. And this part, we called it the mechanical seal, because we can see all the interfaces between each part is welded and polished very perfectly to prevent any impurity inside the syrup, because we know any impurity like rusty, if it drops to the pot, all the syrup in the pot will be destroyed. And this tank, we called it the cooling tank because it is used to reduce the temperature of the cooked syrup. And when you produce gelatin gummy candies, you need this cooking tank because the cooked syrup will need to reduce to about 100 degrees Celsius so that we can put the gelatin solutions inside it. And this part is the storage tank. Due to the limited output of the pot and the limited depositing speed, we designed this storage tank to ensure a continuous production of the whole gummy candy production line. And we can see we have label pumps to give power to the syrup transportation. And these are our pipelines. It is used to transport the syrup between these 3 tanks. And we can see we have this part of pipe. It is connected with this one. It's called a water circulation system. Because our pipelines are jacket pipe, so its outer layer is filled with warm water to prevent the loss of heat. And finally, we move on to the electronic cabinet. We can see inside the box that all the wires are arranged neatly, and it is respectively marked by the labels. So it is connected with this part. It is the touch screen, so the workers can control the whole cooking system through this touch screen. And when you choose the gummy candy production line, the cooking system is very important, and of course I can promise that our cooking system can satisfy all your requirements. Thank you for watching.